Hi everyone, my name's Guy, and today I'm going to show you how to make a fossil. This is super easy, anyone can do it, and the kids go crazy for this one too. So, this is great anytime you're doing a lesson or anything involving dinosaurs, paleontology, fossils, geologic formations. This is what we're going to go for. Again, super cool, it looks really neat. Really inexpensive, and it's just a great activity for the kids to do as they're exploring dinosaurs and fossils. So let's jump right in. All you're going to need is a container. I'm using a clear cup today so you can see it a little better. These are actually a little hard to cut off and pull off, so styrofoam cups work great. Paper cups, something that's a little easy to peel away when you get down to the point where you're trying to remove your fossil from this cup. So, all you do is take your cup. I prefer to use Model Magic. This is great in a classroom setting, birthday party, because at the end, this stuff, once you pull your excavation out, you can actually have this wad of stuff. It's still malleable, it works great, and you can have the kids build a little dinosaur head, something like that, just to extend out the activity and make it a little more fun, and reuse the stuff that you've used as part of the supplies to make your fossil. So, all you do is you're just wanting to take this and get it into the bottom of your cup, smush it down, get any air pockets out. It's really not that big of a deal if there is some little air pockets in there, but all you're trying to do is get a little bed of this material in there. Like I said, you can use Play-Doh, you can use modeling clay. I like the Model Magic because it's pretty resilient. It stands up at the end of the excavation. The kids can have fun with it, and it just, I don't know, seems to work the best. So now you're gonna need something that's shaped like a dinosaur. I love these. These are my preferred little item for this because they just look really cool. These are actually dinosaur pencil toppers. I bought a pack of them on Amazon, I think. There was a whole assortment of different ones, about 12 in the kit, I think. So, again, in a classroom, you can hand these out. Everybody has a different one. It's kind of cool. So, what you want to do, press it down into the Model Magic. You want to do so. You want to get it kind of down in there as far as you can. Remembering you're also going to have to peel this out, and when you're peeling it out, you're going to want that impression left in there so you get a really cool looking fossil. But I'm pushing it down in there, gently kind of trying to catch an edge here, pull it out. I'm going to inspect it really quick. Looks like it stood up good, so off we go. Next thing you're going to do is simply, this is plaster of Paris, super cheap. Get it, put yourself a scoop or two. You're just going to want to eyeball it. Like I was saying in a lot of the videos, this stuff's really resilient. You almost can't mess it up. Get yourself a nice amount of plaster that's going to fill in your cavity and give you that little base, which I mean, you want enough that brings it up a level. So you get this kind of cool rock-looking base part here. Again, it's a great place for the kids to write their names. Mix it up. Just keep adding water to your plaster. You don't want it super soupy, you know, you just want the liquid in there, you want the powder to mix up, you want it to be able to flow out of the cup. Again, it's very resilient. All you gotta do is just pour it in here. I like to take the cup, kind of tap it on the table a few times to get out any air bubbles. You're not gonna get a ton in that plaster. Sit it. So the important thing, this will set up 15, 20, 30 minutes even. I like to give it a lot longer just to make sure it's nice and firm. If it's still moist, there's a chance that some of these fragile areas in here are going to crumble off. Sometimes though, just keep in mind, if you are in a classroom setting, you probably can remove them within an hour just to keep it within kind of the time frame of whatever lessons you're working on. But again, I would prefer to leave it until the next day and then continue on from there. Again, you're preferably going to have a styrofoam or paper cup, which you're going to peel away. And you're going to have, once you get that far, say this cup is gone, you're simply going to gently pull this out of the Model Magic, and it comes out really easy. Sometimes you'll have little chunks left on here, you can just peel it away. So now for the final part of this, you're going to instruct the kids. They can keep it like this. A lot of them, well, most of them seem to want to paint it or decorate it in some way, but this is really cool. But you can hand out markers. There's a potential you wreck the marker. The plaster does like to dry these out, but it just gives it a really cool look. Or like I've said before, I really prefer watercolors. That brown watercolor, any color. They can paint it whatever color they want. But it just looks super cool. If they want to go for the traditional kind of fossil look, the brown works really well. And then, like I said, always make sure they write their name on it, can write it on the back. And now they have a really, really cool fossil they can take home and enjoy. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned. We'll have a lot more videos coming. And as always, go to excavateadventures.com. For $9.99 a month, we'll send you a nice, new, unique mystery excavation kit every month. And also check out our Dig Zone program where you can answer trivia, have fun, watch videos, join me for live excavations, which you earn points for that you can use to spend on anything in our store. So thank you, and see you next time.